สวัสดีครับ Hello all MM member I am ธเนศพล Karasumi from Bangkok Thailand I am a member of MM Local Thailand I am very happy today because I got help from MM Local Thailand the amount of money 349,800 baht date 20 September 2016 PH on Get Help date 5 November 2016 of money 524,400 baht which is amazing thank you UMM Local Thailand thank you goodbye